Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Today let us discuss an example on joint probability distribution. The example is the joint probability distribution of two discrete random variables x and y is given by f of x y is equal to k into 2x plus y, where x and y are integers, such that x lies between 0 and 2 and y lies between 0 and 3. Fine. Then we need to calculate the value of a constant k, then find the marginal distributions. Getting marginal distribution means what? Separate values for x and y, then show that the random variable of x and y are independent. That has to be shown. Fine. Then what to do? Very first I want to prepare a joint probability distribution because this is given. How do you get joint probability distribution? First we need to take, let x, what is x? That is nothing but xi. What xi is given? X lies between 0 to 2. Means how you will fix them? 0, 1, 2. And y is equal to yj. What is yj? It lies between 0 to 3. Means this is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, f of x comma y is equal to k into 2x plus y. Okay. Therefore, joint probability distribution table will be given like this. What is that? This is x, so I take it as x1, x2, x3, and the values are 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Similarly, this is the value of y, so that is y1, y2, y3, y4. Fine. What is that? 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. This will be f of xi and this will be g of yj. Fine. We need to get its middle values. How it is possible to get a middle value? Put x is 0, y is 0 here. Then what happens? It becomes 0 plus 0, 0, 0 into anything is 0. Therefore this is 0. Next, if you put x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, then this term becomes 0, this is 1. So 1 into k will be k. If you put y equal to 2, then it happens 0 plus 2, 2 into k is 2k. Similarly, if you put 3, then it becomes 0 plus 3 into k is 3k. Then altogether k plus 2k plus 3k is 6k. Similarly, if you put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 here, then it is 2 into, so it becomes 2k. Similarly, if you put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1, then it is 2x, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 into, it is 3k. So it is 3k. Similarly, if you put x equal to 2 and y equal to 2, then it becomes x equal to 2, that is 4, 4 plus this, so it is 4k. Fine. Similarly, we will be getting 5k for this, and for overall it is 14k. This, everything. Next, if you put x equal to 2 and this, it becomes 4k. This will be 5k. Next, 6k. Then 7k. If you add all these, it becomes 22k. Therefore, if you add all these values, this is the thing. If you add vertically, then it is 2k plus 4k is 6k. Then k plus 3k plus 5k is 9k. Then 2k plus 4k plus 6k is 12k. Then 3k plus 5k plus 7k is 12k. Okay, sorry, 15k. This is 15k. Then altogether 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15, then it becomes 42k. Even if you add vertical or horizontal, this is the result. Therefore, very first, what is the question? find the value of k. Therefore, the value of k is 42k. But one thing we know, addition of all these things, summation of all these things must be equal to 1. Therefore, we know that summation of g of yj must be equal to 1. Therefore, 42k is equal to 1. Therefore, k is equal to 1 divided by 42. Therefore, the value of k is 1 by 42. This is over. Second, we have to get a marginal distribution tables. How it is possible? Second one, marginal distribution table, probability table. How do you get marginal distribution table? That is, I'll be taking two separate tables, one for xi where it will be f of xi, and one for yj, there it is g of yj. Fine. X values are already fixed, that is 0, 1, 2. Y values are 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, it is 0, 1, 2, and this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, f of xi is what? For this, we can see f of xi is, for this f of xi for x equal to 0 is 6k, but k is equal to 1 by 42, so it is 6 by 42, 6 divided by 42. Fine, or else it is 1 divided by 7. Next, where x is equal to 1, its a probability f of x is 14k, but k is equal to 1 by 42, so it becomes 14 divided by 42, that will be equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, where it is 2, it is 22k, but k is 42, therefore it is 22 divided by 42, which is nothing but 11 by 12, 21. Fine, 11 by 21. Next, y, where y is 0, there it is 6k, but k is equal to 1 by 42, so it becomes 6 by 42, which is again 1 by 7. Next, second one, where y is 1, there it is 9k, but k is 1 by 42, so it is 9 by 42, which is equal to 3 divided by 14. Similarly, where y is 2, there it is 12k. 12k means 12 divided by 42, which is equal to 2 divided by 7. Next, where y is 3, there it is 15k, but k is 1 by 42, so it is 15 divided by 42, so that is equal to 5 divided by 14. Okay, so these are called as marginal distribution tables. So second requirement is also fulfilled. Third, show that the random variable x and y are independent. How do you show? There are two cases. One, we have to find out its expectations. Then after getting the expectations, we can check it out whether the covariance is 0 or not. Or else second is, we have one thing. It is observed that f of xi into g of yj, is it equal to jiy joint. So you can see here, f of xi into g of xi, if this into this, if we calculate, whether that will be equal to joint? No, therefore this is not possible. Therefore, hence the random variables are dependent on each other, that we have to show. So that is the one question. So that is also fulfilled. You can see this is also fulfilled. Thank you.